Okay, guys, I just learned something. It just really kind of dawned on me. Okay, these guys are Zoysia plugs, right? And now, disregard the topsoil that I just placed in there and evened down. But before this, it had no topsoil. I just did the plugs, and they've just been green and haven't, spread out or anything like that. Okay, this is what I learned. Let me show you the other set of plugs that I did. These guys in early summer, what I did with these guys was I didn't dig down because I'm trying to level this out, and I put a good sized layer of topsoil, and then I cut these into strips and put them in there, and it just took a while. They were really not growing, but as you can see, they are really. There was space in between here. Do you see what I mean? But now you can see that they're spreading out and it's getting really, really thick. So now when I do plugs and stuff like that, I'm going to make sure that I level some topsoil in there to give it room to spread out. So like right there, I just, didn't really do it right, but I put some topsoil and sand mix right there. So hopefully it'll start looking like this. These guys are really starting to spread out and starting to be part of what I was really looking for. So that's a good thing. So this is one thing I just learned about Zoysia. So what I've been doing, like I put some topsoil in between here and these little plugs right here, put some topsoil there and here also. And so hopefully I can get that stuff to spread.